This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Dwyer. This beautifully maintained, move-in ready home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage with an open and spacious great room floor plan and a vaulted ceiling. The bright kitchen with extra wood cabinets, new appliances and a desk has solid surface counters, a breakfast bar and a windowed breakfast area. The spacious and bright living room with tile floor is open to the kitchen and has custom media storage cabinets and a plant shelf with a sliding door to the private screen lanai. There is a separate windowed dining room in the great room area. There is a newer roof, 2023. There is decorative tile flooring throughout the living areas and laminate wood floors in the bedrooms which have a split bedroom floor plan. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom. Extra cabinets have been installed in the laundry room which includes a sink. This home is located in a peaceful, quiet neighborhood and you can walk to Mirror Lake School and Golf Course. Fantastic opportunity to own a beautiful home in Southwest Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Dwyer at 239-898-8946.